Diamond's coming on nom too. Hello, Diamond. She's trying to take it. Right over here, there's more food over here. Oops, right in, stepped right into it. There, see, there's more food.
Smooth, baby.
I know, right? Hey, Mara. You're missing 2 puppies, aren't you? Oh my, look who's coming over now. Maybe not.
Coming over now.
Mommy on the ear. No.
V.
It's like, oh my, yum yum. Dino seems to be the least interested in food right now.
Dino.
If I was more, I'd be looking at this as freedom.
I know, right? Dinos. And all over the place, ain't I? Look at that. Oh, goodness. Dino's like, nope.
No, he wants the whole bowl.
You gotta stay over here, baby.
Hey, babies. See your food right here?
No interested?
Diamond's not quite interested yet. Or, I mean, Diamond is, but not Dino. Dino's going for Mama.
Yeah. I think Dino's the least weaned, or least wanted to be, or last weaned. Yeah, there you go. He'll be the last weaned.
Hey, Superman, are you done?
I guess I gotta put it towards the edge because they don't seem to realize they can climb on there. And look at that. There's more food there.
Yeah, you're Superman.
This is so messy. I should have turned it over.
I know, right?
Moral, we'll do cleanup, won't you, Mora?
Yeah. Nope, not ready yet.
He's like, what's up? Look at him. Look at him. He's like, what the hell, man?
I know, right? Come on. Over here, the food's over here. See, there's food. Hey, Superman, where are you going for now? Are you done? Yeah, Superman.
You know this means we're gonna have puppy poops everywhere now.
Yeah. More poop cleanup for me, huh?
No, I can do the room.
Okay, well you can do the room.
I mean, I already do that one in there is poop.
True. He's trying to get a nipple and she's not letting him right now. Are you full, Superman? Superman.
I think he looks like he ate too much.
I know, right? He's like, oh god, I'm bloated.
But he's like coming back for more. I don't know.
He's gonna be a glutton. Bye, V. Huh? V looked at the nipple and was like, do I really want that anymore? Look at that. Did you see that? V went for Mommy's nipple and went, wait a minute, I don't want that.
We're gonna be dealing with a depressed doggy in a little while.
Yeah. I know. Superman, if you're full, you better stop. You know that, right?
He's like, as long as there's food out here, I'm not fucking stopping.
Hey, Dino. I see you over there. Come on. There's food over here. Yes. Just see, there's food over here.
Yeah, here, Daniel. Bring him back over here.
Dino, come on.
No. He's good. He's like, no, I still want mommy's boob.
Hey, Superman, how you feeling, huh? Is that yummy?